Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B1C62, refers to an abnormal high current situation detected in the passenger's heater system of the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. This issue indicates that the seat heater is drawing too much current, potentially leading to malfunction or damage if not addressed promptly. The critical components involved in this scenario include the front passenger seat heater, the seat heater control unit, and the vehicle's wiring. The seat heater itself is designed to provide warmth to the passenger and is located within the seat cushion. The control unit regulates the heater's operation based on inputs like the seat core temperature. It's important to ensure that troubleshooting starts only when the seat core temperature is below 85 degrees Fahrenheit, as indicated in the guidelines, to prevent erroneous readings and potential malfunctions during the diagnostic process. The B1C62 error signifies that there is a high current drawing scenario detected in the passenger's seat heater. The primary component impacted is the seat heater embedded in the seat cushion, designed to provide warmth to the passenger in cold conditions. The excess current can be attributed to electrical issues within the heater circuitry or the controlling unit. The seat heater control unit plays a critical role in regulating the heater's operation, ensuring the heater only operates when the seat core temperature is below 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This safeguard is crucial to avoid overheating and potential seat damage. If the heater receives excessive current, it can lead to further electrical problems, making it essential to understand the components involved and follow a structured troubleshooting process. Several possible causes can lead to the DTC B1C62. First, there could be a short circuit in the wiring between the front passenger seat heater and the seat heater control unit, causing excessive current to flow. Next, the seat heater itself may be faulty and producing abnormal electrical resistance, thus drawing more current than expected. Additionally, a loose or poor connection between the seat heater control unit and the heater could result in inconsistent electrical flow, leading to erroneous current readings. Each of these issues must be investigated thoroughly to determine the root cause and to avoid misdiagnosing the problem. Understanding these causes is key to ensuring that proper repairs are executed efficiently and effectively. When dealing with the B1C62 trouble code, several symptoms may present themselves. The most evident might be the complete failure of the passenger's seat heater to function, leaving passengers without warmth. Additionally, if the heater operates inconsistently, it may provide warmth intermittently or fluctuate excessively in temperature, which can cause discomfort. Moreover, the vehicle may display warning indicators on the dashboard, signaling the presence of a malfunction within the seat heater system. Since this issue primarily revolves around electrical systems, some responses may also include blown fuses if current levels exceed safety thresholds. Being mindful of these symptoms is essential in quickly identifying and rectifying the issue. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1C62 involves clearing any stored diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS. This initial action resets the vehicle's fault memory, providing a fresh start for further diagnostics. It helps eliminate any false readings that might have resulted from temporary glitches or previous unresolved issues. After clearing the codes, it is crucial to ensure the vehicle is in the proper condition for testing by confirming that the seat core temperature is below 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature is above this threshold, the seat heater control unit will not activate the heater, complicating the diagnosis. Hence, managing the temperature conditions adequately ensures accurate troubleshooting. In the second step of the troubleshooting process, The next action requires the ignition switch to be turned to the lock 0 position before being turned back to the on 2nd position. This action serves to refresh the vehicle's electronic systems and can help in resolving any lingering electrical faults. The toggle from lock to on initializes the vehicle's various systems afresh. Following this reset, the technician should proceed to check for any DTCs present using the HDS. This will reveal whether the original code B1C62 is reappearing or if other codes have emerged. It sets the foundation for assessing whether the issue is consistent or if further troubleshooting is required. The third troubleshooting step is to utilize the HDS once more to check if DTC B1C62 is still present. If the code is indicated, it confirms that there is an ongoing issue with the passenger's seat heater system, informing further diagnostic actions. Conversely, if the code does not appear, this suggests that the failure may be intermittent, meaning that connections to the seat heater or control unit should be inspected for looseness or corrosion. This step is vital, as it helps distinguish between a persistent fault, which would require keen intervention, or a sporadic issue that might be resolved with simply securing connections. The technician will be able to narrow down the focus of the investigation based on these findings. In the fourth step of the troubleshooting protocol, the technician is required to return the ignition switch to the lock 0 position. This step is crucial for safety and prevents potential electrical shorts when handling wiring. Following this, the technician must disconnect the front passenger seat heater 4P connector, which connects the heater to the seat heater control unit. Disconnection of this connector isolates the seat heater from the electrical system, allowing focused testing on the heater. By removing this connection, the technician can investigate the connector for signs of arcing, damage, or corrosion that may contribute to the high current issue. Further, isolating the seat heater simplifies subsequent diagnostic steps by enabling targeted assessments of the control unit. For the fifth step, the technician should turn the ignition switch to the on 2 position after disconnecting the front passenger seat heater 4P connector. This action activates the electrical system without the load of the heater, allowing further analysis of the seat heater control unit without the risk of additional failure. The technician will then use the HDS to check once again for any persistent DTCs. It is significant at this stage to ascertain whether DTC B1C62 still appears, or if the issue has been eliminated by disconnecting the heater. If the trouble code remains, it indicates that the issue lies beyond the seat heater, possibly within the control unit or wiring. A thorough understanding of these diagnostics is required to ensure the right components are evaluated next. In the penultimate troubleshooting step, the technician must clear the DTCs again using the HDS. This action prepares the system for another cycle of observation and testing. Post-clearing, it is crucial to evaluate the seat heater's operation to confirm whether the high current issue has been resolved. This step reinforces the importance of regularly resetting diagnostic codes, as it gives insight into the current functionality of the system. If the passenger seat heater operates normally without error codes returning, it suggests the issue may have been intermittent or simply occurred due to previous sensor misreads. Consistent monitoring between clearing codes and operational testing enables optimal diagnosis. The final troubleshooting step involves checking for DTCs again using the HDS. If DTC B1C62 continues to show, the technician should prepare to repair a short to ground found in the wiring. This repair will necessitate the identification and rectification of the specific wire between the front passenger seat heater 4P, connector terminal number 1, and the seat heater control unit's 14P connector terminal number 3. Understanding wiring diagrams and electrical flow is essential for this step, as locating the short could require careful inspection of the wire insulation or connector integrity. If the issue is isolated and repaired, retesting is performed to ensure the DTC is appropriately cleared and that the system functions as intended. After all repairs have been made concerning the DTC B1C62, the final verification process is crucial to confirm the successful restoration of functionality. The technician must test the passenger seat heater to ensure that it operates correctly without any indications of excess current draw or the return of the DTC. Another verification step involves using the HDS to recheck for any present DTCs. This dual approach of functional testing, coupled with diagnostic code assessment, ensures that the repair has fully resolved the identified issue. If DTC B1C62 does not reappear and the heater functions as expected, it confirms the success of the undertaken repairs and provides assurance of system integrity. To minimize the risk of encountering the B1C62 code in the future, consistent preventive maintenance practices are essential. Regular inspections of the wiring and connectors related to the seat heater system will help identify any wear, corrosion, or loose connections before they escalate into more significant issues. Additionally, monitoring the performance of the seat heater during routine vehicle checks will provide assurance that it remains functional and safe. If anomalies in performance are noted, immediate investigation can prevent more complex failures and inconveniences. By incorporating these preventive strategies, vehicle owners can ensure long-term reliability and comfort in their Honda Odyssey's heating systems. In conclusion, the DTC B1C62 signifies a high current condition in the passenger seat heater of the Honda Odyssey 2011 to 2017. Properly diagnosing this issue involves following a structured approach, starting from clearing DTCs to inspecting critical components and repairing any identified wiring defects. The importance of checking connectors and ensuring the seat core temperature is appropriate cannot be overstated. Furthermore, by adopting preventive maintenance, vehicle owners can reduce the likelihood of recurrence and improve overall vehicle functionality. Following these guidelines will not only assist in resolving current issues, but can also enhance the long-term reliability of the seat heating system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.